I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this playlist is on knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, anything to that effect. And I collect inexpensive knives. I don't collect Benchmades or expensive Spydercos or anything like that. I collect inexpensive knives such as this. Knives that you won't cry about if it falls out of your pocket while you're at the lake, or a knife that you can throw in your tackle box, or a knife you can throw in your toolbox, or a knife that will become bent or anything like that. So, found this knife at Walmart the other day. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and we'll take a closer look at it. The 7-inch folding knife, stainless steel blade, let's see, pretty basic, nothing too unusual about it. Well, nothing unusual at all about it. We'll go ahead and crack this thing open and take a look at this thing. Now in my collection I have approximately 300 or 400 knives now. I don't know how many I have. I've given some away, traded some, sold some, but so I don't really know exactly how many I do have. There we go. Let's give you a close-up look at this thing. There we go. I like the color. I like it a lot. It's got gimping or jimping, however you want to say it. Right here in the back, it's got a thumb stud open right here on both sides. Really comfortable. Pocket clip right here. It's not in the way of my fingers, so that's good. Let's check out the action on this thing. Not bad. Opens up very easy. Very easy open. How about that? Break it in a little bit, it'll open up a lot easier. I have to put a drop of oil on it. There we go. That's using the thumb stud, so let's go ahead back here and use the assist button right here in the back. How about that? How about that? Very, very easy open. This is going to be nice to use right here. It'll go deep in your pocket, tip down, not heavy at all. The overall length is 7 inches, but let's go ahead and get this tape measure out and measure the blade itself, which will be approximately 3 1/4 inches. Well, we have the tape measure out. Let's go ahead and measure the whole thing. Yep, just over 7 inches, like 7 1/16. Very nice. Very good action on here. Here's a little lock back here in the back. So if you close this right here, it will not open. Now it will open. See, it slides very easy. There we go. Give you a close-up look on this thing. There's the lock right there that slides. Very, very easy open. Ozark Trail right here on the side. Now this right here is the kind of knife you go buy 4 or 5 of them and put them back and save them for Christmas gifts. very pleased with it. Got a piece of paper right here. Let's go ahead and check out the blade on here. Let's fold this thing up right here and get it out of the way. Get the paper held right. There we go. That's cutting. Not cutting the best, but there we go. Might be a little nick in the blade right there. Let's see. Yeah, I can feel a slight nick in the blade. No issues. I got plenty of knife sharpeners for that. Cuts pretty good for a $6 knife, as well as can be expected for that price. Turn this thing over. Yep, I feel a slight nick somewhere around this point right here, somewhere in there. I will get my magnifier and look at that later. But anyway, pleased with it. You can't go wrong with a cheap knife for that. It feels good in your pocket, looks pretty good. Like I said earlier, you won't be crying if you lose it like you would if you had a Benchmade. I'm starting to wonder the size of the Ozark Trail knife factory. Who makes them? Because this got to be pretty large now. They have so many different knives on the market. So many of them. Anyway, good find on this one. I'm going to be using this, and I'll do a review in 5 or 6 months and tell you how it goes. I appreciate you watching.